What is one of the biggest mistakes that you have made in your music career?
Doing collabs that I was doing more for like the purpose of like reaching out to a new audience more than just feeling like, oh, this makes like perfect sense. Also like not sticking long enough at these collaborations to be like 100% happy with them. Like I was like at some point like, yeah, whatever, let's just finish it and put it out. And one of those tracks has been doing very well, but I cannot listen to it. Even though there's like some great parts in it, but like there's like some mixing choices and some sound choices that I'm not happy with whatsoever. And I really regret having like not stick with like working on that more and maybe being more like, okay, I just want to be put out this collab for the sake of it and being like exposed to like new people. I'm a person, I would say, that likes to think of like every failure and like all the things that I do wrong to learn something from it. And that's why I would not like delete this experience, but that's something that I think I am definitely gonna consider in the future when working on collaborations. In like this Rick Rubin book about creativity, I don't know if you have read it, like a lot of people.
No, I haven't. I haven't read it at all. It seems incredible.
You haven't? Oh, I can recommend it a lot. But in that book, Rick Rubin basically talks about like that there should never be a compromise in collaborative creative work. It should always get to a point where everyone's happy with it, and you always have to be like willing to let things happen, obviously, and like go out of your comfort zone and stuff. But Rick Rubin is like convinced that there should never be like a compromise where like one person doesn't feel like this is like a good decision. Yeah, that's definitely something I'm trying to take to heart and like really work on when doing like future collaborations. So that's definitely something that, I mean, I would not use the word regret. That's definitely a mistake I've made that I want to avoid in the future.
So if I'm understanding you correctly, one of the biggest mistakes that you've made is, I hate to use the word cutting corners, but maybe just not going as hard as you wanted to with these collabs, or not investing all of that Kill 'Em Void energy that you could have. Am I understanding that correctly?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Maybe got caught up in the energy of just wanting to finish something instead of like small f finish something instead of capital F finish something.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, this is fine. We can release it like that. There's like, if I had the chance, I would do more. But it's like also sometimes it's like this process of like communication, and the other person is like really hard to respond. And then it's like, okay, like, I don't know, it's taking like for every message back, it takes like a couple of weeks. So I don't want to spend like another year just fine tuning the last bit that I don't like. So I'm just like, okay, let's just do it and drop the song. So there's like sometimes several factors involved. But as I said, it feels really dissatisfying when like this piece of art is out there and you just literally cannot listen to it. I like to listen to my own music. Those tracks I always skip because I'm like, yep, no, this, I'm sorry.
DAW Nation, listen very closely. This is not the end to this content. This was a teeny tiny little snippet from our full episode. You can check out the full episode in the link in the description. And when you go to the free episode, you can get a free pack over there. So go check it out right now. Why are you still here? Get out of here. Go check it out. We'll see you over there.